What is poppin' YouTube? It is your boy Zeph from Cruise Customs, and today I'm bringing you a little short install video for my Mk4 Jetta. As you guys can see right there, that is the car that we are going to be working on today. I just got a package in the mail. It's a little small little package. It's got a little something special inside of it, but we're going to be installing this into the car. I know it's a little quick video, but you know what, I haven't seen anybody post anything about these sequential lights that I'm going to be putting in as the side markers for this car. The only thing I saw was a small little clip, but it didn't really show you much, so I'm going to show you how to install them and let's see how they look and if they look good on the car. So let's get into it. Let's just start with opening up the box, seeing what they look like. So this is a little side marker light. This has a little plug-in. It should plug in where the original light bulb would plug into. I don't really know, we're gonna find out. But this is the side marker light itself. It's a blacked out kind of look vibe, and it has an LED strip inside, and it's like sequential, and it looks cool. So we're gonna install this on my car. Hopefully it looks good and I dig it, because I spent a pretty penny on these. So to start off with my car, I gotta lift it up with the jack because my car is very low and I don't have enough space to reach my hand up underneath to get to the light. I have no undergarments, or whatever you would call the little guards that go in between the tire and the fender. I don't have any of those, so it'd be a lot easier for me just to lift it up, reach my hand up in there, get to these. But usually on any stock car, you'll have like this much space, so don't worry too much about it. But you do need to take the fender liner out and to be able to get to this if you don't already have it off. So let's start by jacking up the car, and hopefully that'll change how much space I have in between this so I can get to the actual light. So now that I have the car lifted up to about stock height, I can now reach my hand up underneath here. Here, let me put the phone up in there. You guys can see up in here that that's where the light is, back right over here. That's the light, and this is a little connector that we're gonna plug into. So we need to take this out and then put the new one in, and then we're gonna see how everything looks new, I guess. So yeah, let's get it. So just like that, I popped out this little clip. You literally just need to push this in, and then this whole thing comes out. And then after you do that, you literally just, oh well, well, you already know that's need to be replaced. But anyway, so all you need to do is pop this off. I'm gonna pop this off because it's hard to do with one hand. And just like that, it's popped out. Now for this, the whole thing is gonna still be intact with the light bulb and everything. You're gonna want to take this bulb out and then push in the other, what's it called? The connector that goes into this, and then just like that, it's all connected. You put everything back and it should work. So just like that, I took the bulb out. Now I'm gonna go grab the connector light all the way over here. I should have probably just like grabbed everything and took it with me so that I wouldn't have to go back and forth. But now that I got the pieces, let's see how it looks and which direction I want them to kind of sequentiate, I guess that's what you would say. So let me connect these up and then see how they look. So just like that, it's connected to what I just said was going to happen. Connector inside where the light bulb originally goes, and it comes out like this. So I'm just going to place that in there kind of like so that we can see which way it sequentiates, and then from there we'll decide whether we want to flip it or if we want to keep it this way. You feel what I'm saying? Because it doesn't really matter, you can switch around which way it directs the sequential lights. So we're gonna go turn on the lights and then figure out exactly which way we want it. So I just turned on the hazards, and this is how it's going right now. Now if I were to flip it, it'd be going this way, but I actually think it looks kind of cool going this way, like so. So I'm probably gonna keep it going like that. So once these are in, I'm gonna put the other side in and then show you guys exactly how it looks from a distance and all that good stuff, and then we'll see whether we like them or not. And just like that, they're both in. They actually look pretty dope the way they sequentiate, going the way that they do. It actually looks way better than the original light, and I actually like it a lot. So and all in all, I really like how these lights came out. I hope you guys do too. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I know it was a short install, but I'm looking at this looks really dope and really neat, and I really enjoyed it. So please drop a like, and it's been your boy Zeph. Deuces.